How to start a business with $0. Number 1. Sell your skills, not products. You don't need inventory. Start with freelancing, tutoring, or digital services. People will always pay for expertise. Number 2. Leverage free platforms. Social media is your storefront, and it costs nothing to use. Build an audience before you ever spend $1. Number 3. Offer value first. Create free content, tips, or advice that helps people. The trust you build will turn into paying customers later. Number 4. Use other people's products. Affiliate marketing and drop shipping let you sell without owning stock. You connect buyers and suppliers and keep a cut. Number 5. Barter and trade. If you lack money, exchange your time or skills for resources you need. Many entrepreneurs start by trading value instead of cash. Number 6. Start service-based. Cleaning, consulting, copywriting, social media management, service businesses require little more than time and effort to launch. Number 7. Reinvest early profits. The first money you make should go back into tools, marketing, and systems. Growth comes from reinvesting, not spending. Money isn't the barrier. Resourcefulness is. Follow for more business and money-building tips.